Hey folks, Eric Merchant with Trophy Properties and Auction and the Merchant team, and we've got a great new auction coming up here in Defiance, Missouri. We're right here just at the south edge of town, over an acre, this nice brick ranch, cool tree house. You can ride to the Katy Trail from here, it's right across the street. All kinds of places to go, wineries close by. Make a great starter home, make a great rental for anybody looking for a guest house for an income opportunity. If you have an interest, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. It'll be on our website. It's 35 Neal Lane. Eric Merchant, Trophy Properties and Auction. And we'll see you on the land.